In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Lovable AI. Whether you're looking to create a personalized touch or improve your branding, this process will get you up and running by connecting your domain smoothly. Let's dive into it. First, open your favorite web browser, such as Chrome, and navigate to your domain registrar's website. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other service where you purchased your domain. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. It's important to have all necessary login information handy before starting the process. Once you're signed in, you need to locate the DNS management settings for your domain. You might find this in the domain list or directly under DNS settings in your account panel. These settings are crucial because they allow you to edit DNS records, essentially letting servers know where to direct visitors when they type your web address into their browser. Next, add or edit the DNS records as per Lovable AI specific instructions. You will typically be working with CNAME or A records. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully, as setting up these records correctly ensures that your domain will properly connect to Lovable AI's platform. It's helpful to double check any spelling or format provided, especially considering that a minor error can prevent the correct configuration of your domain. Once you've successfully modified your DNS settings, it's time to head over to Lovable AI's platform. Log in with your account and find your way to your project's domain settings. This is where you will integrate the domain you have just configured. You should see a section to input your custom domain name. Enter the full domain name you are using and click Save. Depending on your provider or package, you might see further options, but generally saving is comprehensive enough. Now, it's a matter of verifying the domain connection. Lovable AI should offer a way to check that the connection has been made correctly. Usually, this involves some confirmation or check button in their interface. This step is essential to ensure everything has been set up correctly on both the domain registrar and Lovable AI's ends. Finally, patience is key. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours to complete as the new records circulate across the internet. During this time, you might intermittently see connections to the old setting or no connection at all. That's perfectly normal, so there's no need to worry. If, after a full day, your domain isn't connecting as expected, it might be worth revisiting the previous steps to confirm everything is correct. And there you have it. This straightforward process connects your custom domain to Lovable AI.